To some, football kits are just a uniform. To others, they're an art form. But to the dedicated few, they're a call to arms. They're tribal colors. They inspire them to feel like something bigger than they are. In that same spirit, the team at MarkUp has designed a football kit to inspire teamwork, design, and creativity. The core of our business is to help teams work together easily and efficiently to share feedback on projects across digital media. What better way to celebrate this mission than to embrace one of the oldest team sports on the planet? Each aspect of our Team MarkUp kit was created to tell a story of our brand and visual narrative. We selected white as the base of our top, as a nod to our American roots and their national home colors. Then we incorporated the blue and red from our logo to add individuality through our team colors. A striking geometric pattern was created from a simplified version of our logo and covers half of the kit, creating a beautiful contrast against the white. And finally, our logo was embroidered with a simple keyline on the chest to add contrast to the rest of the kit. We also included the Syros logo on the sleeve as a nod to our parent company. And instead of the player's number on the front of the kit, we added an IO to look like a number 10. And to finish the whole look off, we had our mission statement at the bottom of the kit. Feedback made simple. Like all projects, our kit was made through teamwork and feedback. Our creative team honed the design over several iterations to create something truly unique for the business, an extension of our brand and values in an apparel form, to inspire teamwork and creativity, and I hope that we've achieved that.